Walter Boyd, the Jamaican footballer who broke every rule. Some footballers are remembered for their incredible skill. Others, for their wild controversies. But every once in a while, a player comes along who is a perfect, electrifying storm of both. This is the story of a Jamaican striker nicknamed the Pearl, a man blessed with otherworldly talent, and a rebellious streak that made him a legend. This is Walter Boyd. For Jamaica, Walter the Pearl Boyd was more than just a footballer. He was a national hero. An explosive striker who lit up the pitch. He bagged 19 goals in 75 appearances for the Reggae Boyz. He was a true game-changer, scoring the goals that led Jamaica to its first ever Caribbean Cup victory in 1991, and when the nation made its historic run to the 1998 FIFA World Cup, Boyd was right at the heart of it, scoring 5 crucial goals in the qualifiers. He went on to play in all 3 of Jamaica's matches in France as a substitute, cementing his legacy as a key part of that unforgettable squad. But here's the thing about Walter Boyd. For all his genius on the ball, his career was a highlight reel of controversy. The most legendary moment of all? It happened while he was playing for Swansea City in a match against Darlington in 1999. Having just come on as a substitute, Boyd got into it with an opponent and threw an elbow before the whistle had even blown to restart play. The referee showed him a red card instantly. The legend goes that he was sent off in 0 seconds, creating a record for the fastest sending off in football history. While the official time was likely a few seconds, the story perfectly captures the man, a player so gifted he could score twice on his debut, yet so volatile he could get sent off without even touching the ball. Walter Boyd will forever be remembered as a flawed genius. A player whose dazzling talent was matched only by his unpredictable spirit. It's the ultimate what-if story. What could he have achieved if his discipline had matched his ability? But then again, without the fire, without the madness, he wouldn't have been the Pearl. His story is a powerful reminder that some players don't just play the game. They play it entirely on their own terms. What's your favorite Walter Boyd memory? Was he a wasted talent or a true legend? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories about football's most unforgettable characters.